माता की, भारत माता की।
ਮਨਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇੰਜ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੀ ਮੁਲਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਾਂ ਦਾ ਆਨੰਦ ਮਾਣ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਵਾਰ ਵੀ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਖਾਸ ਆਯੋਜਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਭਾਈਚਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧ ਕੀਤੇ ਗਏ। ਤਾਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਸਾਡਾ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਭਾਈਚਾਰਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਲਕਿ ਸਥਾਨਕ ਲੋਕ ਵੀ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ, ਗੋਰੇ ਵੀ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਖੂਬ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਸਿੰਗਰ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਸੀ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਗਾਇਕੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਖੂਬ ਮਨੋਰੰਜਨ ਕੀਤਾ। ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਵੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਕਿ ਕੁਝ ਕਿਆ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ। ਆਓ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਲੈ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਹਿਕਸਵਿਲੇ ਤੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਰਿਹਾ।
Jai Hind everybody, Ragini Srivastava, Town Clerk, Town of North Hempstead, and it is great pleasure to be a part of this wonderful parade. We are in Hicksville and we are celebrating India's Independence Day, 15th August, and like every year we are about to start this parade with everybody. What I see is the soul of India in its full glory. So many people excited, organizations, everybody coming together to walk in the parade and to celebrate the struggle of India's independence and India's Independence Day. I congratulate everybody and thank everybody who worked hard to bring this parade a success and a reality. Thank you to everybody and Jai Hind.
Namaste, मेरा नाम शशि मलिक है and I am the Vice President, Senior Vice President of IDP Parade. And I'm very proud to have today all the different diversity people attending it. And as you can see in the back of me, and there is a very energy because we are very proud to celebrate our Independence Day. And thank you so much. Hope you can join us.
Thank you, everyone. It is such an honor to be here today. Thank you for inviting me. I am very proud to be your district attorney, to work hard every day to keep all of our communities safe. And it is a privilege to serve all of you. I hope you enjoy this wonderful day for Indian independence.
Programs that we used to prepare and participate.
So all good memories, and we are trying to replicate that here a little bit. Oh yeah, so one thing that we always do, Jan Gad Man Adhinayak Jai, that is the song that we always like chant and remember every day, and especially during these occasions. Oh, only slogan is Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hi, I'm Town of Oyster Bay Supervisor Joseph Saladino. We're celebrating India Independence Day right here in the heart of the town of Oyster Bay, right in Hicksville, New York. So on behalf of our town board and all of our friends in government, myself, Joseph Saladino, and everyone says Happy Independence Day to India and to all of our Indian friends living here in America.
Jai Shri Krishna. My name is Anil Shah, Chairman Vaishnav Temple of New York. Bharat Mata ki! Bharat Mata ki! One day! One day! Today we are at the Hicksville, New York, celebrating 79 Indian Independence Day. Weather is beautiful. All youngsters, middle, elderly, everybody is enjoying. We are very proud to be part of it. We are very lucky and very proud to be Indian and witnessing the India's growth day by day. Thank you everyone for coming, enjoying, and God bless USA, God bless India. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, this is Ajay Patel from New York. Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Today we're celebrating India's 79th Independence Day here in Hicksville, New York. Last week we celebrated India's Independence Day in Manhattan, New York. Again, the Indian community is out in full force, participating in this celebration. We need everybody to appreciate what our soldiers are doing, in India, protecting our country, and we have to be out here in force, supporting them, celebrating our independence. Thank you.
Bharat Mata ki Jai, Vande Mataram, Patel Brothers ni Jai.
I am Jagdish Patel, President of Indo-American Senior Citizens Center of New York and past President of Gujarati Samaj of New York. We are so proud of as an Indian and celebrating this 15th August parade in Hicksville. Jai Hind!
Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Vasudevam Kutum की जय हो, कोटि कोटि वंदन भाइयों बहनों ने, भारत माता की जय. સર્વે જાગૃત રહો અને આપના કુટુંબીજનો અને બાળકો અને ભાવિ પેઢીઓ માટે માનવતાવાદી જીવન અપનાવો, જાગૃતિ રહો, દેશને એકતા માટે, ધર્મ માટે વફાદાર રહો. સર્વને કોટી કોટી વંદન, નમસ્કાર. સનાતન ધર્મની જય હો. સ્વામી વિવેકાનંદનો જીવન અપનાવો, જીવન ચરિત્ર અપનાવો. सुखदेव जी, राजगुरु, शंकर जी, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, सर्वे देव भक्तों ने कोटि कोटि प्रणाम वंदन. सर्वे देश ने वंदे. भारत माता की जय. वंदे मातरम. भारत माता की जय. जय हो, जय हो, जय हो. तव आशीष मागे गाए तव जय गाथा. मंगलदायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय है, जय है, जय 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 है, जय 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 है. भारत माता की जय.
Jai Hind. So happy to be here, part of India Day Parade. We are proud Indian and American. God bless both countries. We love to be here, but also India lives in our heart. That's why we are Indian. Jai Hind.
Bharat Mata ki Jai.
to United States, and we are here to celebrate our Indian Independence Day, August 15, 1947 day. And this is the 79th Indian Independence Day. Please come, please all here to celebrate at Patel Store, and we are ending at Asamai Temple across the train station. We will have the whole day event, lot of cultural programs, so many students are performing, and this is one of that unique parade which we have Bobby Kumar Kaloti started, and it is ongoing. Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.
I'm so happy that we all came together as a community to celebrate. I'm first generation Indian American. So growing up, my parents taught me to celebrate India and America, and I'm so happy we all came together as a community to celebrate it.
Congratulations, India and Indian Independence Day. I'm so happy. I'm very obliged that is company with you. Thank you so much.
जय हिंद। सब हिंदू लोगों भाई बहनों ने हमारा प्रणाम प्रणाम प्रणाम। खूब खूब भारतीय भाई बहनों ने खूब खूब प्रणाम प्रणाम प्रणाम। આ ઉત્સવ એવો આનંદનો છે અને સોના કરતાં બહુ મોંઘો છે, અને આવો આનંદ એવો અંતર્યામી અંદરથી હૃદયથી કરુણ આત્માથી પ્રાર્થના કરું છું કે જે આત્માઓ જે આપણા માટે મોક્ષ આપ્યો છે એમને એમને પ્રભુ પરમાત્મા ખૂબ ખૂબ સુખ આપે। જ્યાં હોય એ આત્માઓને ખૂબ ખૂબ ધન્યવાદ, આત્માઓને સુખ આપે। અને ભારત માટે ખૂબ યુદ્ધ કર્યું, ખૂબ લડ્યા, ખૂબ પ્રેરણા કરી, ત્યારે ભારત માતા की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय।
You can hear the music. I love India. I love India. I love USA. Look the patriotic song. It is so beautiful, and everybody here to pay respect to the people who sacrifice from the largest democracy to the oldest democracy. This is what it is all about. I'm so honored and privileged to have our Commissioner of Human Rights and friend from Friends for Good Health, and our mom Bicheng from Poland, Jay Singh and Veena. But above all, my sister from another mother, the supervisor of a town of North Hempstead. You could not find a better public servant, a better friend in the community, American community, than elected official, than my supervisor, my sister, Jen Desana, town of North Hempstead. How you feel today?
It is a great celebration. I love the Indian community. We here have learned so much from you about success, hard work, generosity, compassion, wisdom. So to come together today and celebrate here in Hicksville, this is definitely the best parade of the year. It is a wonderful day to celebrate democracy in the largest democracy and the oldest democracy. Partners, Jaya Hind, and thank you to the organizers, and thank you to my friend Bobby for really elevating the community and making us very strong partners.
Viola, Commissioner, Human Rights, how you feel being here celebrating? You are one of the founders of this parade, even though you are from Poland. All this many years, what do you feel today coming to pay respect?
Namaste, Satsrika to everyone. Another year, another beautiful parade. This parade is going to be the best parade ever we did. Thanks to our father, Chairman Bobby Kumar. We're all here to celebrate India's Independence Day. And let's have a great time. Let's enjoy it.
This is always the best parade, and from the world's largest democracy to the richest democracy, we wish the world happy Republic Day.
All right, Jay Singh, come around. Don't look around. So, how do you like to say the parade is today?
Oh, excellent. And the people are still pouring in. And we are expecting close to 20,000 people on this parade. Thank you, Babiji. As a founder, I want to thank you all the volunteers, the presidents, vice presidents, and all the title holders. Excellent. And God bless all. Jai Hind.
My name is Mohan Sharma. I am treasurer in IDP. I am working with IDP for the last so many years. I want to work together because unity has strength, and we are celebrating.
We are celebrating our Independence Day in Hicksville, Long Island, and everybody is enjoying. You can see the crowd. You can see the people are so excited, and we are pretty soon we are going to start our parade. I love my country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Happy Independence to all of you. यहाँ लॉन्ग आइलैंड में इंडिया डे परेड इज बीइंग सेलिब्रेटेड जस्ट लाइक एवरी ईयर, एंड इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल ईयर एवरी ईयर. यहाँ पर जैसे कि हम देशभक्ति देखते हैं, विच इज़ एवरी ईयर, यू नो, इट इज़ इन आवर ब्लड, क्योंकि इंडिया, भारत इज़ हमारी माता, और ये हमारी, कई लोग बोलते हैं मौसी है अमेरिका, बट एक अलग फीलिंग होती है. एंड दिस सेलिब्रेशन इज़ गोइंग ऑन in New York and New Jersey from last 1 month. तो यहाँ पर सेलिब्रेशन एक वीकेंड में नहीं होता या उस पर्टिकुलर डे नहीं होता. उसके अलावा फ्लैग होस्टिंग के अलावा परेड्स निकलती हैं. जस्ट लाइक इन इंडिया वी हैव ए रिपब्लिक डे फॉर द फ्लोट्स एंड परेड, यहाँ पर इंडिपेंडेंस डे में परेड्स निकलती हैं. एंड इट्स अ वेरी ग्रेट फीलिंग, एंड आई हैव very prominent community members here with me, and I have Dr. Bhavani. She is a president of Rotary Club of North Shore, and on my left is Indu Jaiswal. Indu is also part of this IDP, founding member of IDP. So while I'm here, and I'm also a reporter and a journalist, so I'm going to help you out and ask these people, how do you feel being here?
This is a wonderful day. I've been here since the inception of India Day Parade, 2012. This is Dr. Bhavani Srinivasan, by the way. And we have watched it grow, you know, with more music, more pageantry, more marching troops, more floats, and more people to participate in all ways, shapes and forms, you know. And this is a great day to be alive, great day to be Indian, great day to be an American. Thank you.
Thank you. I just want to, before Indu, Rita Batija, and she's a nutritionist and doing so much for the community. Rita ji, good to see you, and look at her, the way she's dressed up. Have a camera on these lovely ladies.
So very kind of you, Nita. You are the best. Really appreciate you giving us. Everybody is so excited with this IDP. Bhavani, you make it happen. And we are very proud of everybody. And thank you, Knock Knock. Appreciate, enjoy everybody.
Thank you so much, and enjoy this beautiful celebration. And it's a lovely day. What else do we need? Look at the weather. It's about 75-80 degree and sunny. So wishing everybody happy Independence Day. Hi, how are you feeling being here?
All the organizers and everybody, thank you very much. Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
भारत गाँव से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा.
Wow, all right. Where are you from originally?
I'm from Delhi originally.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, enjoy the day. And by the way, my name is Neeta Bhasin, and I'm the founder of Diwali at Times Square, which is being celebrated on October 12th in New York. And since you are from Canada.
Hello, this is Jay Japra Singh, my wife Pam Japra, and we are here. We are celebrating 14th India Day Parade right here in the Hicksville. This is the 79th Independence Day of Indian Independence. And this parade, IDP, is formed. The founding the most individual who is the founder of IDP, Jabavi Kaloti. I salute to Bobby Kalodi. I salute to Presidents Mr. Goel. I salute to Bansal. And I salute to all the Vice Presidents and all the title holders as well as all the volunteers who make this 14th parade possible for the India Independence Day. And thank you all, and let's enjoy it. And we have a lot of excitement, and we are expecting over 20,000 people this parade. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Namaskar, my name is Kavya Ramani and I am a Bollywood celebrity from Mumbai, India, and I currently live here. And being here on this occasion of IDP India Day Parade, Long Island is really, really grateful for me, because me being here far away from my country, India, our country, India, and still we celebrate such a great occasion of India over here. It's really, proud to be an Indian. And India is a really, really unique country, and I am really, really proud the way these people are organizing the event, IDP, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.
My name is Mohan Vanchu, and I'm the Ekal New York chapter president representing Ekal Vidyalaya here, and also a citizen of India, now the United States, and proud to be here to celebrate the Independence Day of our motherland, Bharat Mata.
USA, all the best to India and USA. Happy relationship. Thank you.
Vande Mataram.
Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Mata, Jai Mata. Long live Bharat. We are proud to be Indians. Thank you.
जय भारत, जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम। आज भारत का 79th इंडिपेंडेंस डे है, उसका सेलिब्रेशन हम लॉन्ग आइलैंड न्यूयॉर्क में कर रहे हैं। आज का सेलिब्रेशन करीब 14 से 15 हज़ार तक लोग आए हैं, जो आज तक का सबसे बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन है। इंडिया से भी भारतीय
attended this event of Independence Day in Floral Park and currently in Hicksville. I'm enjoying here. Thank you so much.